Okay, hi guys. So we're here with another agent, Miss Jaira. Pero I'll let her introduce herself more.
My name is Jaira Guanzon. I've been working with PPH for 4 years. 4 years na.
Wow, 4 years. So how's your experience naman working with UPH for the past 4 years?
It's awesome. I mean, there's growth, career growth, and the people are, my co-workers and the management, they are so amazing.
Yes, yes naman. Amazing na lang yung word, no? So far, yung team building natin, first time to in 4 years. So how, enjoy naman siya ngayon? Or
Enjoy.
na-build yung team, ganun?
Yes, enjoy na enjoy. Leg day.
Super leg day, no?
Super leg
Pasalo
day.
yung, yung game na Caterpillar. So, what's your overall parang satisfactory dito sa laro natin ngayon sa mga games sa team building? Masaya ba?
Masaya. 10 out of 10.